Made a wrong turn once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated this place, misunderstood, knowing it's all good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaking, always second guessing, underestimating. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than freaking perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, you're freaking perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You were wrong. Change the voices in your head, make them like you instead. So complicated, look how we all make it, filled with so much hatred, such a tired game. It's enough, I've done all I can think of, chased down all my demons, I've seen you do the same. Ah, pretty, pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than freaking perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing, freaking perfect to me.
So I follow the fear. The only thing I be drinking is an ice cold beer. So close the line and we try, but we try too hard. It's a waste of my time. So looking for critics 'cause they're everywhere. They don't like my jeans, they don't get my hair. Exchange ourselves and we do it all the time. Why do we do that? Why do I do that? Why do I do that?
Yeah!